Hi, my name is Tom Hammerland and I'm going to teach you how to make an animated GIF in Tall Tweets. Tall Tweets was a web app that would make longer tweets for you when Twitter only had 140 characters. And they have recently made it so that now you can convert a Google presentation into an animated GIF. Create an account in Tall Tweets and allow it access to your Google Drive. Next, select the presentation you want to convert into an animated GIF. After it's converted, you have a few options. You can adjust the width, the slide duration, and the sequence of slides, or you can just create your GIF. Next, you can save your GIF locally, or you can tweet it out. If you choose to share it as a tweet, you can add a message to go along with it. Thank you for watching.